Hello, everyone. Today, I've got a mind-blowing geometry puzzle that will really make you think. We have a rectangle, and there's a random point somewhere inside it. From this point, the distance to one corner is 4, to another corner it's 6, and to a third corner it's 5. Can you figure out the distance to the last corner? Take a moment, think it through, and see if you can crack it. Ready? Let's walk through the solution together. Suppose the unknown length we're trying to find is x. Now, let's draw two perpendicular lines from the point, one going down to the base and one going up to the top of the rectangle. Let's call this length as a. So this length will also be a. Again, consider this length as b. So this length will also be b. Suppose this length is c, and this length is d. Now, let's focus on this right-angled triangle. This is where the real fun begins. In this triangle, the base is a, the height is c, and the hypotenuse is x, which is the distance we're trying to find. So, by using the Pythagorean theorem, we get a squared plus c squared equals x squared. Let's call this equation number 1. Similarly, let's apply the Pythagorean theorem to this triangle. Here, the base is a and the height is d, with the hypotenuse equal to 4. So, we get a squared plus d squared equals 4 squared. Let's call this equation number 2. Again, applying the Pythagorean theorem to this triangle, we get b squared plus d squared equals 6 squared. Let's call this equation number 3. Finally, applying the Pythagorean theorem to this triangle, we get b squared plus c squared equals 5 squared. Let's call this equation number 4. Now adding equation 1 and 3, we can write a squared plus c squared plus b squared plus d squared is equal to x squared plus 6 squared. Or rearranging left side, we can rewrite this equation as a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared is equal to x squared plus 36. Again, adding equation number 2 and 4, we can write a squared plus d squared plus b squared plus c squared is equal to 4 squared plus 5 squared. Or, rearranging left side, we can rewrite this equation as a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus d squared is equal to 41. Now, notice that the left side of these two equations are equal, so right side will also be equal. So we can write x squared plus 36 is equal to 41, or x squared is equal to 5. Taking square root, we will have x is equal to square root of 5. And that is our solution. But wait, before you go, here's one more challenge for you. Can you find the relation between a, b, c, and d in this figure? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets it right. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.